everybody! Today I'll show you how to crochet willow granny squares. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a slip knot. Chain 4, make a slip stitch into the first chain, then chain 3 as the first double crochet, and make 15 double crochet. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. For round 2, chain 3 as the first double crochet and chain 1 as a chain space. Then make 1 double crochet, chain 1 15 times. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. For the next round, chain 3 and the chain 3 as the first double crochet. Then make 2 double crochet into this space. And 1 double crochet here under the 2 loops. Two double crochet here into this space. Then 1 double crochet right here. Then make 2 double crochet into this space. and 1 double crochet here under the 2 loops. And repeat all the way around. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. For round 4, chain 5, skip 2 chains, and into the third one, insert your hook and make a single crochet. Now chain 3, skip 2 chains, insert your hook into the third one, make 1 single crochet. And chain 4, skip 2 chains, make 1 single crochet into the third chain, chain 3, skip 2 chains, and make 1 single crochet into the third chain. And repeat all the way around. Skip 2 chains and make a slip stitch into this stitch right here. Make another slip stitch into the next space. For round 5, chain 3 as the first double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, 5 double crochet into the same space. Make a single crochet into the next space. Into the next space, make 7 double crochet. And into the next one, make 1 single crochet. Repeat all the way around. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. For round 6, chain 2 as a first double crochet, then chain 4, make 1 single crochet into this corner, chain 3, 1 single crochet, then chain 4, and make 1 double crochet right here into this single crochet stitch. Chain 3, and make 1 single crochet into the 4th stitch right here. Chain 3, and make 1 double crochet right here into the single crochet stitch. Chain 4, and make 1 single crochet into this space, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 4, and make 1 double crochet right here into the single crochet stitch. Chain 3, make 1 single crochet into the 4th stitch right here. Chain 3, and make 1 double crochet right here into the single crochet stitch. And repeat all the way around. Make a slip stitch into the second chain right here. For the last round, chain 3 as the first double crochet, then make 4 double crochet. Into the first corner, make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, 3 double crochet, and into the next space make 5 double crochet. Into the next 2 spaces make 3 double crochet. And into the next space make 5 double crochet. And repeat all the way around. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.